Understanding, signing off with. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard in emails, messages, or even during broadcasts. Signing off with. This phrase is rich in context and meaning, and understanding it can help you communicate more effectively in English. Let's explore its usage, meaning, and how you can incorporate it into your daily conversations and writings. Signing off with is a phrase used to indicate that a person is concluding their message or communication. It's like saying, "I'm finishing this message with." This can be followed by a name, a title, a closing remark, or any signature element that the speaker or writer chooses to end their communication with. It's a formal yet personal way to wrap up a conversation, especially in written communication such as emails or letters. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Emails and letters. It's common to see, signing off with best regards, signing off with love, or simply, signing off, followed by the sender's name. It adds a personal touch to the conclusion of the message. Broadcasts, radio or TV presenters often use it to conclude their programs. For example, signing off with "Thanks for tuning in, see you next week." Online meetings. At the end of webinars or virtual meetings, the host might say, signing off with a reminder to check your emails for the meeting notes. To help you better understand how to use signing off with, here are a few examples. In a professional email, "I look forward to our continued collaboration." Signing off with best regards, your name. In a personal letter, "I miss you and can't wait to see you again." Signing off with all my love, your name. In a podcast, "That's all for today's episode on the mysteries of the ocean." Signing off with a reminder to keep exploring, your name. Signing off with is a meaningful way to conclude your communications, adding a personal or formal touch depending on the context. Whether it's through written words or spoken messages, using this phrase effectively can enhance your English language skills. We hope this video has helped you understand its usage and inspired you to use it in your future communications. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning tips. Signing off with best wishes for your English learning journey.